Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to update Hamster Kombat. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Telegram application. Now after opening the application, it will look something like this. Here, click on Hamster Kombat announcement. Now this will show up the Hamster Kombat page. Here, you'll have the play icon at the top right side of the screen. You can simply navigate to Hamster Kombat by clicking on the play icon. Now after navigating to Hamster Kombat, as you can see, Hamster Kombat doesn't have a specific application. It is an add-on in Telegram. In order to update it, you can simply click on the three-dotted icon at the top right side of the screen and click on Reload Page. After you click on Reload Page, Hamster Kombat will be refreshed and updated quickly. So that is the only way to update Hamster Kombat. There is no other way. What you can also do is simply navigate to Play Store, search for Telegram and update the Telegram application from here if you're able to see the update icon. If not, Telegram is already updated to its latest version. You can simply navigate to Hamster Kombat and start playing it with the latest updated version. So simply refreshing it will update it to its latest version. So that's a simple way to update Hamster Kombat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.